And we talked about what precautions we're taking industry-wide to protect this product, and apparently it varies when it leads up to the store owners and how they choose to secure their product. But we definitely want to bring this this problem to the attention of the public and to our business community too, so that they can look for different ways to harden the target, look for different ways to cooperate with shopping center owners, to maybe increase security, to improve their video presence, that will give us more information to follow up on when and if these crimes do occur, and just to let them know that not only we're aware of it, we're standing beside them and willing to help them in whatever way we can to try to minimize the impact. This coming on the heels of a town hall meeting this week about opioid abuse and prescription drug abuse in the community. We know this is an ongoing problem, and it's not going to be solved easily. We're going to have to work on multiple fronts to address that. But we want to bring to your attention, and certainly a topic of conversation among pharmacy owners, and they're aware of the issue, and we'll be continuing to work with them to find solutions to it.